Abundant. प्रचुर. India has abundant natural resources. Accelerate. तेजी लाना. Technology accelerates progress. Accomplish. पूरा करना. We accomplished our mission successfully. Accumulate. इकट्ठा करना. He accumulated a lot of wealth. Adequate. पर्याप्त. The funds are adequate for the project. Advocate. समर्थन करना. He advocates for women's rights. Aesthetic. सौंदर्यपूर्ण. The design is simple yet aesthetic. Affectionate. स्नेहपूर्ण. She gave an affectionate hug. Agile. फुर्तीला. He is agile both in mind and body. Align. संरेखित करना. Align your goals with your values. Ambiguous. अस्पष्ट. His answer was quite ambiguous. Amend. संशोधित करना. The law was amended in 2024. Amplify. बढ़ाना. The speaker amplified his voice. Anxious. चिंतित. She was anxious about the result. Anticipate. पूर्वानुमान लगाना. We anticipate good results. Appoint. नियुक्त करना. He was appointed as the new manager. Assess. मूल्यांकन करना. We must assess the situation carefully. Aspire. आकांक्षा रखना. She aspires to become a doctor. Assert. दृढ़ता से कहना. He asserted his right. Assign. सौंपना. The teacher assigned homework. Assume. मान लेना. Don't assume things without proof. Astonish. चकित करना. His success astonished everyone. Attain. प्राप्त करना. She attained a high position. Authentic. प्रामाणिक. Always use authentic sources. Authority. अधिकार. He has the authority to decide. Awareness. जागरूकता. Awareness about health is increasing. Balance. संतुलन. Maintain a balance between work and life. Bankruptcy. दिवालियापन. The company declared bankruptcy. Benevolent. दयालु. She is known for her benevolent nature. Breach. उल्लंघन करना. Breach of trust is unacceptable. Brief. संक्षेप. He gave a brief explanation. Candid. स्पष्टवादी. She gave a candid reply. Capable. सक्षम. He is capable of handling stress. Clarify. स्पष्ट करना. Please clarify your point. Collaborate. सहयोग करना. We collaborated on a research paper. Comprehend. समझाना. He couldn't comprehend the meaning. Conclude. निष्कर्ष निकालना. Conclude that honesty always wins. Confidential. गोपनीय. The data is strictly confidential. Confront, सामना करना. You must confront your fears. Consequences, परिणाम. Every action has a consequences. Consistent, निरंतर. She is consistent in her work. Contribute, योगदान देना. Everyone contributed to the cause. Convenient, सुविधाजनक. Online learning is convenient. Crucial, महत्वपूर्ण. Time management is crucial for success. Curiosity, जिज्ञासा. Curiosity leads to learning. Dedicate, समर्पित करना. He dedicated his life to service. Deficiency, कमी. Iron deficiency causes weakness. Delegate, प्रतिनिधि बनना. Delegate task to save time. Deliberate, सोच समझकर. The decision was deliberate. Diligent, मेहनती. She is diligent student. Disclose, प्रकट करना. He refused to disclose the secret. Diverse, विविध. India has diverse cultures. Emphasize, जोर देना. Teachers emphasize reading habits. Empower, सशक्त बनाना. Education empowers women. Endorse, समर्थन करना. Celebrities endorse many brands. Enlighten, ज्ञान देना. Books enlighten our minds. Evaluate, मूल्यांकन करना. Evaluate your progress weekly. Evidence, प्रमाण. There was no evidence against him. Execute, कार्यान्वित करना. The plan was executed successfully. Exceed, अधिक होना. The cost exceeded our budget. Exclude, बाहर निकालना. He was excluded from the list. Expand, विस्तार करना. The company plans to expand abroad. Expertise, विशेषज्ञता. He has expertise in finance. Facilitate, सुगम बनाना. This app facilitates communication. Forecast, पूर्वानुमान लगाना. The weather forecast predicts rain. Formulate, तैयार करना. We formulated a new strategy. Foster, बढ़ावा देना. Teachers foster creativity in students. Generate, उत्पन्न करना. Solar panels generates power. Genuine, असली, सच्चा. She gave a genuine smile. Grateful, आभारी. I am grateful for your help. Hinder, बाधा डालना. Laziness hinders success. Illustrate, उदाहरण देना. Let me illustrate my point. Implement, लागू करना. The plan was implemented efficiently. Incentive, प्रोत्साहन. Workers receive an incentive for performance. Incorporate, सम्मिलित करना. We incorporated your feedback. Influence, प्रभाव डालना, गुड हैबिट्स इन्फ्लुएंस आवर लाइफ। इंटेग्रिटी ईमानदारी, इंटेग्रिटी बिल्ड्स ट्रस्ट। इंटरप्रेट व्याख्या करना, प्लीज इंटरप्रेट दिस डेटा। इंट्यूटिव सहज ज्ञान युक्त, हर डिजाइन सेंस इज इंट्यूटिव। जस्टिफाई उचित ठहराना, ही जस्टिफाइड हिज एक्शन लॉजिकली। लेजिटिमेट वैट इट्स अ लेजिटिमेट बिजनेस। मैग्नीफाई बड़ा करना, द लेंस मैग्नीफाइज ए स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट। मैनिफेस्ट प्रकट करना, हर टैलेंट मैनिफेस्टेड अर्ली। न्यूट्रल निष्पक्ष, स्टे न्यूट्रल इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। नोशन धारणा, he rejected the notion of failure। obligate बाध्य करना, we are obligated to follow the rules। optimum सर्वोत्तम, optimum use of time is essential। perceive अनुभव करना, I perceived a change in his tone। persuade मनाना, he persuaded me to join the project। precise सटीक, give a precise answer। predictable अनुमान योग्य, his behavior is predictable। prioritize प्राथमिकता देना, prioritize your health first। prohibit रोकना, smoking is prohibited here। prosper समृद्ध होना, work hard to prosper in life। pursue पीछा करना, प्राप्ति हेतु प्रयास करना, she is pursuing higher studies। rational तार्किक, make a rational decision। reluctant अनिच्छुक, he seems reluctant to talk। reliable भरोसेमंद, he is a reliable employee। substantial महत्वपूर्ण, the company made substantial profit।
Thanks for subscribe.